Hey everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Expobar office lever machine. So I did a few things to this machine. For one, I replaced the elbows here on the right side. It's a pretty common repair. You can see one of them here, just connected by a hose. So I just replaced both of those on either side of the hose. And then I replaced the vacuum release valve with a new one. You can see this is like an older style. Has some mineral buildup on it. I also replaced the switch here in the front. It had some burnt wiring as well. Here you can see that. Here especially. So after that, I replaced the pump. This had the original pump on it. So this one is about, let's see, looks like 8 years old. So I usually recommend having them replaced around 5 years, after around 5 years. And then I gave the machine a tune-up, so I replaced the group head screen and gasket. This is a silicone gasket, so I replaced it with another silicone gasket. Then I descaled both of the boilers. Actually, the steam boiler had quite a bit of mineral buildup inside, so that was definitely necessary. Then I deep cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner, back flushed the group head to remove any coffee residue, and just wiped down the whole machine, deep cleaned the portafilter and everything. So I'm just going to pull a shot just to show you the machine is working. This is our test coffee, so it may not pull a perfect shot, and since it's a bottomless portafilter, we might see a little bit of spraying. Oops. Okay, so this shot's running a little bit fast, that's why you see the bars are sort of low. There's just not enough pressure built up from the shot. But anyway, you can still get a good shot of espresso if you have the coffee dialed in. And I'll show you the steam. So hopefully you can see here, nice strong steam. And then here's our hot water. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.